Hey there friends, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to connect your Microsoft OneDrive account to your Claude account. So to get started, simply open up your customized window, which you can find here at the left hand side of your screen, and it's usually the bottommost icon in the list. So once you click on that, go ahead and click on connectors and you're going to see a few options here. If Microsoft 365 doesn't show up in your list, go ahead and click on the plus button at the top and click on Browse Connectors. So here you're going to be able to browse any of the connectors you might want to add and or interested in Microsoft 365. So go ahead and type that into the search bar at the top and then click on the plus button. It's usually a plus button like this one, but since I've already connected an old Microsoft account, it shows up as Reconnect on my screen. So go ahead and click on that and it should ask you to sign in. So sign in with your work email or institution email. And unfortunately, right now, personal accounts aren't supported with this specific connector. So we can try signing in with an institution. Then once you do that, you should be able to, it should show up as connected on your Claude account and you should be able to write prompts according to or write prompts making use of your connection. So you can do things like ask it to summarize Teams messages, update your calendar, maybe grab files from your OneDrive. That's pretty much it for this video though. I hope I was able to teach you something new and something useful. And as always, thank you for watching.